In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Best of Me by The Starting Line off of their album, Say It Like You Mean It. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Best of Me was your favorite pop punk song, and let's dive in. This song is going to be in standard tuning, and the intro is going to open up with an acoustic guitar. But since the rest of the song is going to be using electric guitars, we'll just use a clean electric sound for the intro. We'll start with the power chord on the 7th fret of the 5th string. It's an E power chord. And then we'll slide down to this A suspended 2nd shape, which is an open 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string, and 4th fret 3rd string. It's also okay to let the 1st and 2nd strings ring out. Most of the intro will allow those strings to ring out. Then we'll jump to a regular B power chord. And then what we'll do is we'll move ring finger to the 4th fret of the 5th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 4th, and then the pinky is still down on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. So far we have this. Now we'll just release the ring finger from the 5th string, and we'll go back to that A suspended 2nd shape. We'll put it back down on the 4th, and then back to the B power chord. So all together we have this, and let's start introducing the right hand rhythm. Right hand's going to be mostly 8th notes, skipping beats here and there. So we have this slow. What we'll do now is repeat that exact sequence, but instead of playing the E power chord up here on the 7th fret, we'll just play it down here with an open 6th. So this is just a standard E major shape, focusing on the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. Then we jump to that A suspended 2nd and continue just like we did. Coming out of the intro. We'll hit that A suspended 2nd 3 times. And then we're into the main riff. The main riff has 2 guitars. The rhythm guitar is just going to be playing power chords of the same chords that we were already playing in the intro. So we'll have the E, the A power chord, the B power chord, and the C sharp power chord. Mostly 8th notes. Skipping beats here and there. And the lead guitar will be playing octave swipes using this pattern. So we'll start at the 11th fret of the 5th string. That'll include 13th fret of the 3rd. We'll slide up to the 14th fret, down to 9, down to 7. So we have this. Then down to 2, back up to 7. So this so far. Then we have 7, 4, 2. 7, 6, and then we do this slide 6, 7, 6. So altogether we have this so far. And then we'll repeat. And we'll end on the 7th fret here. And then we'll end that sequence playing an E power chord on the 7th fret of the 5th. Hit that 3 times, slide down, and then we're into the verse. The verse also has 2 guitar parts. The rhythm guitar is just going to be playing the low E power chord. Just going to be palm muting 3 hits. It's just going to repeat that over and over again. And the lead guitar will be playing this moving part. So we'll be at the 9th fret of the 3rd string, and we'll also be playing the open 2nd and 1st strings. So the pattern will be this. Okay, so that's 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string. And then what we'll do is we'll slide down to the next fret here, which is the 8th fret, same pattern. And then down to the 6th fret, and then down to the 4th fret. So all together, slow. And repeat. Midway through the verse, we'll hit the A power chord. And then we'll go back into the muted E. We'll go through that pattern again, going back to the A, to the muted E, and then we're into the pre-chorus, which is going to be an F sharp power chord. So that's the 2nd fret of the 6th string, alternating with an A. So I slide up to the 5th fret of the 6th string, and then it pauses right before it enters into the chorus. The chorus riff is the main riff. So one guitar will be playing those power chords, E to A, B to C sharp, back down to A, C sharp, B. And the lead guitar will be playing the same octave swipes. And then we play another verse and chorus, just the same as the first, and then we're into the bridge. The bridge will have 2 arpeggiating guitars. The first guitar will be using chords from the intro, so we have 4th fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string. and then 4th fret 3rd string, arpeggiating strings 5, 4, 3, and then back up. And then we'll go to the A suspended 2nd, so we release the ring finger, play the 5th string open, and we just alternate between them. While that's going on, a 2nd guitar will kick in, and it'll be playing this part. So all that is open 1st string, 4th fret 2nd string, 6th fret 3rd string, and then we move down to open 1st string, 4th fret 2nd string, and then 4th fret 3rd string. So we're alternating between those two chords. And then coming out of the bridge, we'll use that pattern. And then we'll strum. We'll hit that chord once, and then there's a delay, and then we go into the last chorus. Was the Starting Line one of the best bands of the early 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.